Al-Arla TV checking from Alberta, Blériot Ferry. Let's go.
Board ferry, then leave ferry.
So we'll cross the river.
Good. Thank you.
Dito lang, ialis na tayo lang dito.
Okay. Manong mati ko na? Manong mati...
Leave
Aba,
ferry.
libre.
libre.
Yeah.
Tama. Inflatable life raft na. Oh, dito ka. Naka-live.
Yeah, ano? Ang mabaling.
Ano ba?
Hello.
Kasaduwang alugan.
Yes, hello. Apa ito tumutaw? Selkert? Oh. Medyo ko ba dito?
You
guys want to walk around? Feel free.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead, get out.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Go for a swim.
Ito ba? Marumar ka na.
Thank you. So kind of you.
You're welcome.
Panalo na kaya.
Ay, saray mo gaya man.
One.
Lalahan pa.
Nice. I'm a tourist from the Philippines. First time in Canada.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a really good experience.
What do you think?
Yeah, very nice.
It's different, eh?
Yep. Amazing Canada. Honestly, amazing.
It is nice, eh? Different.
More than nice. More than
Different.
nice. More than nice.
Lots of fish, too. Lots of fish.
But you don't feel lonely? Or
I'm retired.
how long?
14 months now.
Wow.
Yeah.
But you look young. Retired?
I am, but I was a peace officer for 30 years. So
Wow.
yeah, I
Wow.
was in the
wow.
army and stuff. So that's enough. I've seen enough.
Gumagalaw na
I just
siya.
fish
Hindi
all
na.
day long. I just fish. Take 30, 40 home every night.
Wow. No way. So they called it a ferry. It's already moving, but you can hardly feel it. Look. So it came from that side, going to the other side.
Yeah, so you'll go out, turn right at the top of the hill.
Okay.
And then right again.
All right.
And then you'll see the canyon on your right side.
Thanks.
Super, thank you, sir.
Have a great
Yep.
day. Enjoy Drumheller.
Of course, thank you.
Enjoy your trip.
Yep.
Watch out for those dinosaurs, eh?
Panalo, pare. Ay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Retired Army officer, 30 years. Nangingisda na lang araw-araw.
Nag-DJ ko ano. Kita mo natin pangato tayo video.
Video mo, naka-video. Naka-video ba?
Ma-DJ
Drive
live.
3.9 kilometers, then turn right on 838.
Oh, Starland Country.
Fireban. Starland Country. Panalo, ang ganda. Buti na lang sumunod ako sa trip mo, bro.
Sabi binasan makita ang di pepeso nga to lang di
Dinosaur.
as in talaga.
Isend ko to yung vlog. Dati vlog ko man eh. Basit, isend ko to kanya yun. Para parang mabawi ako na subscribe. Alberta. Pero Red Deer pa lang dito, di ba? Hanan.
Country.
Ah, okay.
Ay, ating nga party period.
Party di Red Deer nun. Di Drumheller.
So, retired sila na.
O, nagubing pa itsura na. 30 years nga retired na. Nature loving, guys. This is it.
Oh, mabali mo kayo babatay tanino kayo.
Ano, okay lang.
Ano may video mo na sayaan?
Kabata?
Ano, okay lang.
Ano may video? Sayang ang iyong vlog.
YouTube mo lang.
Yeah, malay mo ay
Viral.
mag-viral, di ba?
Ito yun yung exercise ni Kan, insan.
Okay.
Serving ka rin tabanger. Exercising ka sa rawat na lubilhan. Talay ka?
Oo, ang galing. Sa tingin ko.
Ito dapat din sa ipin na
Mukhang ng violin.
Tapos sa yung coaching jacket niya tayo sa Taiwan niya. Taiwan. Grabe, oh. Talagang kaslang desert mo lang, nature desert nga napintas nga lugar.
In 1.3 kilometers, turn right on 838.
So no winter, nap-nap na snow niya.